Good morning, children. So today we are going to study about neutralization reaction. The topic as per NCERT is how do acids and bases react with each other. So you need to write down here, as I told you many times in this chapter and in chapter 3, you will get the summary. So here you can write that acid plus base when react with each other, they form salt and water. They form salt and water, right? So please write down at the top only so that you should remember the summary, and any of the acid when react with base, they form salt and water. So you should have that in your mind, and you can write any reaction of acid and base, right? So acid plus base forms salt and water. So write down here equals to salt and water. What is there in the activity? We have been asked to take 2 ml of NaOH, right? And this activity is really very important, very simple, but very important. In indirect question form, this has come in many times in board examination. We have been asked to take 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube, and we have to add few drops of phenolphthalein solution in it. What color you will observe? Phenolphthalein is what? An indicator or a chemical?
Ma'am, chemical indicator.
Indicator,
It's a
chemical
chemical,
indicator.
synthetic indicator. Very good. So what color you will observe?
Ma'am, pink.
You will
Pink,
observe
Ma'am, pink.
pink, right? So what is the color of the solution? We will write here pink. The solution will change to pink in color, right? So now add the dilute HCl to the above mixture. If we will add dilute HCl to the above mixture, what will happen?
Ma'am,
What
it
will
will
happen?
turn transparent.
Dilute HCl add करने पर it will change to again colorless, right? So we have to write colorless. It will change to colorless. Why it changes to colorless?
Ma'am,
Because it
reaction of
is
acid
neutral.
plus base.
Because
Neutralization reaction
there may
occurs.
be two answers. Children, please note down. There may be two answers. But first answer, children will say this is neutralization reaction, and the neutralization reaction has taken place and formed a salt. But the accurate answer is we have added dilute HCl to phenolphthalein, and HCl changes to is an acid, and phenolphthalein changes to colorless when acid is added to it. Right? Clear to you?
Ma'am, could you please repeat it again?
Yes, it changes to colorless because phenolphthalein changes to colorless when acid is added to it. Written? Now question is,
Yes,
why
ma'am.
did color of phenolphthalein changes after the addition of acid? So you have to write here the answer. Due to formation of neutral salt, due to formation of neutral salt here, the color changes to color of phenolphthalein changes to colorless. Also, phenolphthalein changes its color to colorless when acid is added to it. When acid is added to it. ठीक है बेटा?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question for the same answer?
Question is there in your book, beta. Question is there in your book. We are writing question by question as per NCERT, na? Now, they asked us to add few drops of NaOH to the above mixture. Now, NaOH is added in the above mixture. That means neutralization reaction has already taken place. NaCl is already formed, and now we are adding NaOH to this mixture. What do you think? When we add NaOH to this mixture,
Ma'am, it
what will
becomes.
happen?
Ma'am, it will
Ma'am, it
reappear pink color.
The color will
Ma'am, it will become.
reappear. Why? Why?
Ma'am, because phenolphthalein changes the base to pink color.
Because phenolphthalein changes the base color to
Pink.
pink
Pink.
in color. Yes, because phenolphthalein changes the color to pink, right? So please write down here. You need to understand, beta, that here the reaction has already taken place, right? Reaction has already taken place, and we have got, what are the product we have got? What are the product we have got?
Water and salt.
NaCl
And
water.
salt.
We have already got NaCl plus water. और हमने इस salt solution में, which is aqueous solution of NaCl, we have added more NaOH to it. Yes or no? We have added
Yes, ma'am.
more NaOH to it. So it will behave like a salt solution now, or it will behave like a NaOH solution. Hydroxide ion की तरह behave करेगा, या ये water और salt की तरह behave करेगा? How will it behave?
Ma'am,
What do you think?
it will be like NaOH
It
solution.
will behave like NaOH more, because sodium hydroxide is most basic in nature, highly reactive. Sodium highly reactive है, so sodium hydroxide is also highly reactive. Is it clear? Just like the acid, sodium hydroxide is also highly corrosive in nature and highly reactive also chemically. Thus, this solution, which is having NaCl and water also, now this solution, because it contains NaOH, now it will also behave like a base. So there was phenolphthalein. So come back to the question again. Our question was here, that does the pink color of phenolphthalein appears? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Phenolphthalein color changes to pink in color again. Okay. What do you think? Why this has happened? The question is not complete, but why do you think that this has happened? What do you like?
Ma'am, because the concentration of base was again increased in the solution.
Very good. The short
And
answer
when,
is
ma'am,
very
when
good.
the
Excellent. Please write down. The salt formed was a little more detail I'm giving you, so that in future you should not get confused, right? Please write down here. The salt formed here was neutral salt solution. Sanvi, you are not writing in your book. Yugansh, Soumya, switch on your video. Athak, Viraj Bora. The salt
Ma'am, the
formed
salt.
here is neutral in nature, but due to addition of few more drops of NaOH, Piyush Jain, you have to write down in your book, mera bachcha. Write down in your book. Due to addition of few more drops of NaOH, the solution will behave like basic in nature. The solution will behave like basic in nature. Okay? So we are going. Yes. Yes, children. So we have learned that when acid react with base, they form salt and water. But
water.
add few drops of base in it, this neutral salt will also behave like a basic solution.
Basic solution.
अगर थोड़ा सा acid डाल देते तो it will behave like an
Acidic
Acid.
solution.
Acidic solution.
So we are slowly and gradually moving towards the next topic, that salts may be acidic, अगर थोड़ा acid उनमें ज़्यादा हो, और salt may be basic, जिनमें थोड़ा सा base ज़्यादा हो. Got it? The group who has got this topic, they are understanding concept, right? So we will discuss in the next topic. After this topic, is the topic is coming that salt may be acidic also, salt may be basic also. Clear hua baat? Right. Now next is reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Now when reaction of metallic oxide with acids also take place, children, this will also form salt and water. As you can see in the NCERT, you can write the summary here also. That is metallic oxide, reaction of metallic oxides with acids is equals to salt plus water. ठीक है जी? Salt plus water. Now this salt and water is there. What is given in the activity? Anyone? Sanvi? Lavya Jain? What we are asked in this activity? What we are asked to do?
Ma'am, to take some amount of copper oxide in beaker and add dilute hydrochloric acid.
We have been asked to add small amount of copper oxide to HCl and HCl have been added slowly and gradually. यहाँ एक और चीज सीख रहे हैं आप एक्टिविटी में क्या कि एसिड whenever it is added to solid even water में भी और solid में भी slowly and gradually drop by drop you need to add. Why? Because acids are highly reactive. Hydrochloric and mineral acid from the start of chapter we are saying they are highly reactive and they may cause the burning sensation and generally they cause exothermic reactions also. Therefore, they should be added slowly and gradually and stirring should be done parallelly. Why stirring should be done parallelly? So that heat should uniformly spread over there, right? So now take small
So
amount of
cool the
hydrochloric
temperature,
acid, we are
cool down the
adding copper
temperature.
oxide, right? Copper oxide, what is the color of copper oxide? We have learned there in
Ma'am,
chapter
blue.
1.
Navy
Ma'am, blue green.
No, copper oxide. कॉपर ऑक्साइड का कलर क्या होता था? ब्लैक होता था बेटा. In oxidation reaction,
Ma'am, black.
oxidation
Yes.
reduction, we have done this. It is black in
Yes,
color.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, black
Copper
in
oxide
color.
is black in color. Beta.
Black in color.
Yes. And when this salt will form, this salt will be bluish green color. This salt will be bluish green
Bluish
color
green color.
because the salt formed here is
Is hydrated form.
copper chloride. Copper chloride. Please tell what will be the reaction. Anyone? Try. We have been given copper oxide. Speak out. Cu.
CuO plus HCl gives
CuO plus HCl gives. Very good.
Ma'am, CuCl2 plus H2O.
Cl2 plus H2O.
Yes,
Cl2 plus
CuO
H2O.
plus HCl gives.
And ma'am, CuCl2 is the salt formed here.
CuCl2, right? CuCl2 plus water, right? Plus water,
Yes, ma'am.
right? This copper chloride color is bluish green color, beta. Copper chloride color is bluish green color, right? See in here, beauty of NCERT is कि यहाँ लिखा है. Here the line is mentioned here. The blue green color of the solution is due to the formation of copper 2 chloride. Copper 2 से clear हो जाता है that the valency of copper will be taken here as 2. Valency of the copper will be taken here as 2. Clear to everyone? So please
Ma'am,
write
how
down here.
water is formed here?
Yes, ma'am,
Copper
because there is
chloride.
only one atom.
One atom of hydrogen.
Chloride. ठीक है? That is bluish green color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
When
It's-
copper will react with the Cl, then oxygen and hydrogen will be left, na?
Yes. ठीक है?
And hydrogen will be combined with another atom, then which will form H2O molecule.
You need to balance it, beta. 2 HCl लिख देंगे हम यहाँ पर. So it will be balanced. Right? It will be
Yes, ma'am.
balanced.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Noted.
Ma'am, please.
Yes. Now we have taken a basic oxide. Why we are saying basic oxide? Copper oxide acidic होगी, basic होगी, metallic oxide है. What is the nature of a metallic oxide?
Ma'am, basic in
It is
nature.
basic in nature.
Ma'am, that's why
Class 8
alkaline
one,
metal.
copper oxide is basic in nature. So we have taken here basic oxide, that is copper oxide. So what is happening here? Basic oxide, base हो गया. Plus हमने क्या add किया? What we have added in it?
Acid.
We have added acid in it. So can we say that this is also a neutralization reaction because we have got salt
ma'am.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So what is the
Mm.
nature of this metallic
Yes, ma'am.
oxide, copper oxide? It is basic in nature. So
Basic.
Basic in
do the
nature.
chemical reaction, basic oxide. Metallic oxides are basic in nature.
Basic oxide.
Please write down below it. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and acid we have added to it. Thus we have got salt and water. Thus this reaction is also called neutralization.
Neutralization reaction.
ठीक है जी? Neutralization reaction. This is also called neutralization reaction. Clear to everyone? ठीक है? Same way, next topic we are going to do is, that is reaction of non-metallic oxide with acid. ठीक है? So here we will learn that we have taken a non-metallic oxide. What is non-metallic oxide we have used here? Piyush and Yugansh.
Calcium hydro.
Which non-metallic oxide we have used here? Beta?
Carbon dioxide.
We have used here carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a non-metallic
Is
oxide.
acid.
Yes or no? And calcium
Yes,
hydroxide is a
Non-metal.
calcium hydroxide is a
Base.
base.
Non-metal
So carbon
hydroxide.
dioxide,
Okay.
which is non-metallic oxide, to that we have added calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide क्या होगा? Basic nature में होगा, acid में होगा?
Ma'am, basic.
Basic में होगा. We have learned in the start of the chapter. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base. याद है? We have learned it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hydroxide is a strong base. Thus, it will form a strong base. So when non-metallic oxide is reacting with a strong base, what do you think will form? What do you think?
Salt
it will
and
form?
water.
Ma'am, salt and water.
It will
And
Ma'am,
remain
salt and water
Salt
and
plus
neutralization
what
reaction will
salt will
take
be
place.
formed here? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Which salt will be formed here? You have done this reaction, beta. Test of carbon dioxide.
Yes, ma'am.
Test of carbon dioxide you have done. किया था? क्या था?
Calcium
Calcium carbonate.
Carbonate.
Calcium.
Calcium
Ma'am,
carbonate plus
CaCO3
plus
plus
Ma'am,
H2O.
water.
water plus
H2O.
water beta. Calcium carbonate plus water बना था, right? Because this calcium carbonate is salt. Yes or no?
Yes,
Calcium
ma'am.
carbonate is a salt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this metallic, non-metallic oxide is behaving like an acid or base.
Acidic in
Ma'am,
nature.
as an
Acidic in
acidic.
nature.
It will behave like an acidic in nature, right? And we have added base to it, right? So this non-metallic oxide is behaving like an acidic oxide.
Acidic
Please
in
write
nature.
down acidic oxide, and thus we get a salt plus water. Clear हुआ जी? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
reaction can
Ma'am,
be
why
called
is
this
it behaving
reaction
acidic
also
in
a
nature?
neutralization reaction? Can we call this reaction also a neutralization reaction? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Salt
Reaction
and
is
water is
also
formed.
a neutralization reaction. So we have learned two things, that metallic oxides are basic in nature. This
Basic
you
in
have done in junior classes. Metallic oxides are basic in nature,
Basic in nature.
and non-metallic oxides are acidic in
Acidic
nature,
in.
right?
And Manda is asking something.
Yes, metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, why is it acting like an acidic?
Anji? So we have learned here two things today, that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Please mark here in NCERT also written. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Thus, if a non-metallic oxide react with a base, it forms salt and water, because carbon dioxide or non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. Similarly, if we add acid to a metallic oxide, that will also form salt and water. Thus, it will behave like a base.